different set of LS7 style lifters. We didn't like the other ones we got, so we returned those and got some different ones. These ones right here had some pretty good reviews on them, so we're just gonna go with these. They came with the lifters and the lifter trays, and everything feels pretty high quality compared to the other ones. So right now we're just gonna soak them in oil for about 20 minutes and get the engine prepared to drop these bad boys in.
All right, we let them soak for 20 minutes, and now we're gonna put them in. Now I just need the bolt. And there you go, that's how they look. Alright guys, that's how it looks with all the lifters installed. Now we're about to make sure you can spin over fine and continue. Alright guys, what we're doing right now is we're trying to drop the entire engine harness. We're just trying to do it just so we could at least get it looking nice and clean in here. We might paint it. We're looking to paint it black, but I'm not sure. But right now we're just trying to drop the harness to make it look cleaner, so once it's done, it looks at its tip-top shape. Alright guys, about 20 minutes later, I got the full engine harness out. It wasn't that hard. Also, meet the new shop dog. His name's Simba. But yeah, we got it almost out. And Henry, you want to tell him what color we're painting it?
We're gonna probably paint the engine bay black to clean that up. Since we got some big plans coming soon, we're just waiting on our stuff to get shipped out before we tell you what we're doing. You know, we want the engine bay to look clean, so we're glad the car already had the wire tuck mod done on this side, but like William said, this shit was done pretty shitty, and I want to clean this up because yeah, you want to be, you know, fast, but you also got to look clean, you know, at the same time. It's almost, you know, just as important to look clean just to be fast, you know. So we're gonna clean up this wiring and anything in here that we don't need. We're gonna delete a few things. We're gonna delete AC. I'm not sure if we need to do anything over here, because I know they make mock-up plates, but we want to at least keep heat. We're gonna keep the cowl for now. There's no need to cut it. Just for now. We deleted, yeah, pretty much all AC. We're gonna have the radiator. We don't need to stand up the radiator with what we're doing so far, but if we run into clearance issues, we're gonna do the standard radiator mod. And yeah, that's pretty much it for now for what's going on with the SS. We're just want to pull the harness out just so we can put it on the engine when we're ready to go, set it on the engine, and when we're ready to drop it in, as opposed to trying to figure out where all this stuff plugs into. It'd be much easier to do it outside the car than inside the car. Easy.
All right guys, about an hour in total later, maybe less, probably like 30 minutes. The harness is out. The hardest thing was getting the plugs. I forgot which ones they were. Let me try to find them. Where the fuck are they? Oh, they're right here. These ones right here, you have to pull them out from the BCM, whatever the fuck it's called. And the way you look at them is it's like this black wire that goes through the firewall, and they have that barcode. And these were the ones that I had to pull out, and from there you could just pull it out. And it was pretty simple, but the reason we're doing this is because you already know we're gonna paint the engine bay. We're gonna label everything and clean it up tomorrow. All right guys, well, I'm about to get to cleaning on the engine bay just so you get prepared for paint, and he's about to label the wiring harness and clean it up, so we'll record that.
in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, 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 won't you let the light shine through. In the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you.
Finally got our Texas Speed valve seals. These are the one piece, and these ones work good for dual valve springs. And since we're gonna run dual valve springs on this build as well, the valve springs that I got from Comp, the valve seals that I got from Comp didn't work. I was originally gonna go with fucking pack 12, 1218, 1219 springs, but the valve seals that I got weren't gonna work, because as you can see, these ones are the one piece as well, and I figured that these heads would have the two piece that my Camaro had. And I don't know if you guys can see, but like how there's like a seat right there, that's what my Camaro had. They had the seats and the seals themselves, but these ones are one piece as well, so these wouldn't work in general with my head. So I tried to find some seats off my LS1 car. I think these ones have the seats under, and these ones don't, and they're about like, there's a height difference in them. So I didn't feel comfortable just, you know, not running any in general, because I only found 11 and you obviously need 16. So I went ahead and just coughed up $50 just to get these shit. And you know, I'm not too too sad about having to buy them, but it's kind of a pain to get them here because I paid like 30 bucks in shipping, even though, you know, the standard shipping was 20 bucks alone, and, you know, my total was like 55 bucks just to get them here, and it took forever to get here. And just our luck, it's gonna snow tomorrow, so probably just gonna install these and call it good.
All right, guys, I got everything taped up, everything cleared out, and I'm gonna just start power washing the engine bay. All right, guys, I got everything taped up, everything cleared out, and I'm gonna just start power washing the engine bay.
So we got the first side of the head done, or I mean, well, the first head done with dual valve springs, and they look pretty good if you ask me. It wasn't too bad of a process. We're just waiting on doing the next head, but that probably won't be for a good minute since it's gonna snow tomorrow. So I think this might be all for today's video. We're just gonna wait on more parts. Our push rods get here today, but there's nothing really exciting about that. We just got a standard 7400 push rod, just because we're not gonna mill the heads or nothing, and it's generally what you use for stock applications. Yeah, we're using LS9 BTR head gaskets, but that shouldn't really throw anything off. So we're just gonna go with that and just, you know, send it. Like I said it before, this motor is just gonna be a get-by motor until we could build a stronger engine. And as you can see, this head has a broken stud, but that one and this one. But this shouldn't be too bad to take out. But other than that, I think that's gonna do it for this video.